Hello viewers. So today I'm again here with my new project, which is the fire detection project. So if you want to see the working of that project, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So the components I've used for my project are the maker board, flame detection sensor and some jumper cables. As you can see, this is my program. According to my program, the maker board will display safe text, and if my sensor will detect any fire in its range, the maker board will display danger text and give a high frequency beep sound. That means that there is some danger in this area and you must go away from this area. So let's check its work. So I hope you have liked this video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how my maker board can extinguish the fire automatically. So are you excited? I don't know about you, but I'm really excited for that experiment. This week is going to be very exciting for me and you too, because this week is going to be full of experiments, innovation and creation. So that's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.